Let it snow.
Something exciting.
Yeah.
It is Friday, 12:19 p.m. to be exact, January 27th. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Because we gets down on this channel. We gets down. Okay, so there's this thing that I want to try. For those who know about this, yeah. We're going to be trying this beautiful water. I also got it in blueberry lemonade, which I heard was good. So there's like this stuff at the top of it and you like push it in there. So we finna do this. Take this off. And I'm gonna let y'all know if it's good because a lot of people have been saying it's good. See, you got like a little push thing like this. All right. Okay, now. I don't think this is working with my nails. Come on, bruh. I mean. Wait, maybe I shake now. I mean, I pushed it. I don't think it can go any further. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's like turning pink. Okay, girl. She's coming through. You see it? Now, the girls have been talking about this, so let's see what the girls have been talking about. It actually tastes like lemonade. Like, it actually tastes like lemonade. It tastes a little watered down. Don't get me wrong. Like, just a tad bit is watered down because it's water. So, but it's good water. That makes sense. I like it. We're gonna see what happens to my body after. And I'm gonna see if I see a difference. And I'll let y'all know.
What's good, Love Nation? I decided today I'm gonna take y'all with me to the gym. Now, I was gonna ride my bike, but as y'all see, it's raining. So y'all wasn't finna see me slip and fall out there on that bike, embarrass myself. So I'm gonna take y'all to the gym with me, get this little workout in. The time right now is 8:52. I gotta be back home by 10 o'clock. Shower, change clothes, and then I gotta start running my errands. Let's get it.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear they nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my nigga.
Good little hour workout. I didn't really record and get everything because I don't really like recording in the gym, first of all, because I feel like that's people personal, you know, personal space. I feel like gym is a place where you can actually feel comfortable without the world knowing your journey or your process, unless they do post on Instagram and stuff, which most of them do post on their journey through Instagram. But many people don't want people to see their process. So I really don't record much. That's why I only recorded me doing like, well, on camera, I only recorded me doing like three or four things. But it was a good little hour workout, If you watching this is your motivation right now to go on and get up and get out. I know it's early, get up and get out the house. Go work out, go do something, go ride a bike, go do something, man. Change your diet. So far it's been, I believe, a full week or a week and a half or so, and hey man, I'm pretty loving I'm pretty loving the process and the results.
Hey, Love Nation. What's up, Love Nation? What's up, Love Nation? Hey, y'all. I went to Target, got a bunch of cleaning stuff. I just got home, just got off the road. Literally did a kind of a night trip. Just literally slept over there. Okay, so I had an event that I had to go to for the Chamber of Commerce in Texarkana. It was really, really good. And now I am back home in Dallas, okay? And I got a bunch of cleaning stuff, y'all. A whole bunch. Not a whole bunch, but we need to re-up on cleaning supplies.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless.
This down here is like where I normally would keep the cleaning supplies because we really didn't have like a place for them yet. That's just one of, we have a house. You realize there's like 1,000,010 things that you can do to make your home better. And so we have a couple different areas that need to be organized. This is one of them. So I got 2 bins, 2 of these. Another one is on the way, so we're gonna get that situated. What time do Saturday packages be getting here? It says about 10 p.m., but I mean, like, what does that mean? It ain't out for delivery yet, so it really is gonna be later today. I can't figure out if I want to do, cause I got another. Yeah, it smells good. What is it?
Don't worry about it. I'm saying I'll be clean. What's up?
I can't figure out if I want to use, because I got another one of these coming from Amazon. I can't figure out if I want to use one for downstairs, one for upstairs, or one for our bathroom and then one for the rest of the house. Oh, okay. I should be good then. And the upstairs bathroom is the only one that got the bathtub. So this is for the bathtub. So okay, this one is gonna be for upstairs. This is going to go upstairs. And then I need to get everything else situated for the next one. They're supposed to be coming yeah, tonight, I guess.
Hey, I'm finna head up.
Oh, did you look at my dress?
Yeah.
We finna have another one of these in a minute. Just wait on it. Just wait on
I'm
it.
gonna drink that. Let me.
What is this? You got some fresh parsley.
Yeah.
What is this?
Don't get my pickles. Let me get one.
Let me have one.
No, you don't even like these types. I grew up on these pickles.
Y'all know what this is?
They don't.
Open it.
Yeah, it's sweet. Like, you don't like that.
What? How do you know what I like? Let me try it. I'm expecting it to taste sour, but it's actually gonna be sweet. Okay. Why break apart like that in my mouth?
That's how I grew up on.
It's very different texture.
Mm-hmm.
How do you even say that? Gherkins?
Never knew my whole life. But it was called sweet pickles. I don't know why they changed the freaking name of it.
It don't taste like a pickle. You can have that.
That's mine. That's my body for me.
It's not that good.
I'm out.
I'm kind of stuck. I don't really know.
That's great. I started cleaning. I cleaned everything, y'all. Now she finna, well, she ain't really to clean. She just finna organize it.
I'm not cleaning right today. I'm cleaning tomorrow.
I didn't say it would. What you gonna clean? This one? Yeah, we'll do that. But all I gotta do is mop my floor. And that 27, that 20, that 27 staying up.
And I'm cleaning walls.
Yeah, don't scrub paint up them walls.
It's called Magic Eraser. It doesn't scrub paint off.
I'm saying.
It's for walls.
Them paint on them walls right there, them people put that cheap flat paint on them walls. So be careful with white ones.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight.
I'm so ready for my Amazon package to get here so that I can finish this. Oh my gosh.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
Y'all tripping. My package. It's supposed to be here today. Why would you push my package back to tomorrow or the next day? What do you mean? Tomorrow or the next day? How about the tomorrow or the next day are helping? We can have a movie night, y'all. It's a movie that I want to watch. It's called You People. We're gonna watch that.
I decided I want to be in here with you. So I'm gonna handle my business over here with you, with my baby.
Okay, you can stay in here with me.
See my Projector, so switch to that tool, and then I'm gonna zoom out. You can just click and drag over everything.
Why are you on the floor?
I wasn't comfortable up there. You ain't got no futon.
Are you gonna buy me a futon?
I bought everything else in this room.
You fancy. You ain't buy everything.
What you bought? Just change it.
Don't do that.
I spent most of the money that's in this room. Lie.
I bought the wallpaper.
No.
I bought that.
That's not what I said.
I bought all of this.
That's not what I said. Add up everything I bought in this room. It's over $3,000.
Okay, you bought the big stuff. But I bought the stuff too. You even bought the chair your feet on. But you can buy me a futon. I want one now. It's gonna go, but I don't know where to put it. Where am I gonna put a futon in here? We finna have a movie night.
You're in a relationship. Make sure you have a night.
Ow, you gonna give me a cut in my finger.
Make sure you have just a day that you and your spouse. Alright, what you saying now? Cereal. What you saying?
It's movie night.
Let's go.
My package. I already started talking to them and everything. You like, hey, Love Nation. It is Sunday. We had our nice movie night last night. It was really great. That movie was so. Can you not interrupt my vlog? If you're gonna be on the phone, you're gonna have to be quiet. All right. So, I don't know why stuff like this is just really interesting to me. Why am I excited about a power scrubber? So look, it's a Rubbermaid grout cleaner, and it cleans like the crevices and stuff. You feel me? Like places you can't really get to. And this thing is so cool. I'm gonna try it out. I got it off Amazon. I'm gonna link everything in the description. And then bam, this is the downstairs one that's finally here. You spray, you wipe, and if you need to, I don't know what this thing is called. Look what we're doing.
She got this from me. She wanna do it.
Hey, remember this is how you keep your heart healthy.
it is, and I'm glad you.
Oh my gosh.
I'm glad you finally doing it. And you take
Oh,
walks.
the Lord told me this. He told me to get this jump rope.
For me.
And for me. Women,
That's
listen,
right,
women.
Smoke that right, right.
Not tonight. Women are the number one people
Risk for a heart attack.
women are the number one at risk for a heart attack.
You and Easy cannot remember that word right.
And I just realized that today we gonna jump for heart health.
Why?
Wait,
Because y'all eat bad. That's the first thing. Y'all,
I don't eat bad.
not no more.
Okay, I can't eat bad. I eat cheap. My mama said the only jumping she was doing was when Chris Cross made her do it. Chris Cross?
Who's that?
Chris Cross will make you jump.
Go, come on. You got it.
Let me check my jump area. Don't hit me. Oh, let me move my height. It's hanging on your head. Look. Chris Cross. I'm a little tired.
No, you are. Because that's why you need to start working out. That's the day. You got to shake, girl.
Look at your breathing.
You did 4 things.
Hey. Jump up to your heart. Everything flows to your heart. We at Walmart. It's cold. It's 32 degrees.
It ain't that bad.
It's that bad. It is. It done dropped in Dallas from 58 degrees this morning. How's 58 degrees this morning to the 30s in the middle of the day?
Let go.
What we getting?
What I'm getting. You can't
Wait,
get me.
no, I want some root beer. Oh, I want some root beer.
No, this is my shopping trip. Not the,
I didn't bring my wallet. Can you give me some root beer?
no, this is my look. That's why I want to bring you. You like a kid.
I just want some root beer.
This is my shopping trip.
Watch me get some root beer.
This would be a good vlog because we never recorded us at the store.
Yeah?
Nope.
Hey, get it, babe. Yeah, see, I got my root beer right. I told you I was gonna get some root beer. I told you I was gonna wear this outfit again. I'm gonna wear this about 5 more times this month. Just letting y'all know right now, baby. I'm gonna get the use out of this, cause this was expensive. Y'all, it's Monday, and it's about to be 1 o'clock. I had a lunch with somebody, and I got ready, but it's gonna be moved to Friday. So Friday, I'm gonna wear the same thing again. Anyways, I gotta go to a meeting. Hey friends, I gotta tell y'all something. Something exciting. Oh my gosh. Sorry if I got food in my teeth. I'm eating, I mean, that happens. I think the ISD is gonna cancel school for tomorrow because of the winter storm. Let's talk about that. It's a wintry mix. I'm gonna need the weather to decide on what I wanna do. You gonna either be snow, sleet, or rain. You can't be all three. I think Wendell's gonna be able to be home all day tomorrow. It's supposed to be even worse tomorrow. Overnight it's supposed to like sleet, rain, do all that, freeze. The road's gonna be frozen. We finna stay in the house.
Yeah, what's good?
Ooh, 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 ooh. do this pay period stuff. Then I'ma sew some stuff together, baby.
Hello, this is an important message from Dallas Independent School District. To hear the message now, press 1. Due to anticipated inclement weather, all Dallas ISD schools will be closed Tuesday, January 31st. More information will be provided later on if campuses would make up this instructional day.
No school, no school, no school, no school, what? No school, no school. I don't know, I'm gonna miss my kids. I got a lot of stuff. Got a lot of stuff to do with them. Got a lot of stuff preparing, but it's number guide, relaxation, get stuff handled at the crib, but say, man, if you're an educator, these type of days right here, snow days, weather days, you know if you know, it's the most relaxing or relaxation that we need. Like, these days are beyond better than a weekend. See, a weekend, you know, they there normally, if that makes sense. Like, you already got stuff planned for the weekends. But when you get a day you get like a random day off, they hit different. They hit different than the weekend. Let me let y'all know. Let me let y'all see what we got going on. Woo! Dog, my screen broke. Say, man, disregard my dog bowl. Like, it ain't even snow. It's ice. Ice snow. Frozen snow. I'm gonna tell y'all one of the most benefits of having a husky and it's snowing outside. He in his natural habitat. My boy. Even though you wanna come in. Don't go play, bro. Go play. Come on. Go. Shit. Come on. Come on. Oh, shit. Now mine. But that's not why I'm on here. Let me show you. Let me show you what just came in. Which I'm surprised that it came in, because little do y'all know, this is the second screen I done ordered. And the first one got lost, somebody stole it, whatever went on. But listen right here, your boy got his screen in. I'm gonna let y'all see the whole process of us putting that thing up together. It's like, no, I've been waiting so long. What you see up in these boxes? Supposed to be in the attic 3 weeks ago. But that's how long I've been waiting for the... Hold on, guys. You know you ain't supposed to be up here. The reason I ain't put these up in the attic yet, because I wanted some more. I know. Play too much. You like a kid. She wants somebody to play with me. At your age, man, I need some motivation. The reason I put these in the attic yet because I had needed some motivation. You know, I was kind of sad and depressed about this, so I just let it sit right here. But today, everything going up in the attic. Sometimes, which I don't know about him, Husky's smart. Sometimes he do that, he gotta go to the restaurant when he play like that.
No, dog pretty smart. He probably got it. What we have right here is the Elite Projector screen.
I'ma let y'all know the inches in a minute. I'ma let y'all know the inches in a minute. I'ma let y'all know the inches. Alright, what we have right here? Let me see, what we have right here is the frame. Is the what?
The frame.
The fixed frame. So what we got is the fixed frame elite projector screen. This is of course the screen.
We gave gloves. There's gloves in there.
Alright, so when I did this last time, this is y'all. It's hard. It is hard.
I got 30 minutes to my next meeting, so let's get it. Hey, this was hard, but we almost there, bro. Look. You gotta stretch it from corner to corner to corner to corner. Then from side to side.
Better get y'all one of them. Let it snow. Yeah, you can do the vibrato at the end when you can't sing.
Let it
So you gotta Nah, wrong key. Alright, look. Y'all look at my car. Don't show my lights plate. Look at my car though.
covered.
Bro, both of my cars. Gone. Y'all look at the ground of our neighborhood.
Look at that.
Bro.
Look how thick this ice is. That is ridiculous. It's literally, we're literally walking on ice.
I should tell them since I pay $400 a year for homeowner association, they should come do this right here, $400. Instead of sending me a message in the mailbox.
Scoop the ice?
Clean it for $400. What they do for us for $400?
Come around and give you a picture of your house to tell you what you did wrong.
I gotta go mailbox. I gotta get my
You got your key?
I get my W-2s because I'm finna find my thing. Did I unlock? Am I at the right box?
Yes, froze.
Huh?
Yes, it's froze.
No, it's not. These are.
Yes, it is right here. It's frozen. Did you open? I said, brr, it's cold here. All right, friends. We finna close out this vlog because it is 10:50 on a Tuesday. I got my little mini root beer. I got to stop drinking soda, but this has no caffeine. So this like, I don't have a lot of sodas that I can drink. So this is like my fave. Window is upstairs. I just showered and everything. Window is upstairs watching a movie, it sounds like, on the projector. Let's go see what you doing. Cause I don't think y'all saw the projector yet. Bro, that's good.
Not sure. You can see it. In the dark, you can see it.
You can see it good as heck. Y'all look at this screen, bro.
Yay! Like I said, we'll show y'all more of this room later on, maybe when it's done or whatever. But I gotta buy some stuff to actually secure more on the wall. But other than that, projector screen look amazing. How it look? Okay.
It looks really good.
For real?
Yeah. We finna watch a movie or a TV show, whatever you wanna call it.
Nah, I watch a movie.
We finna watch a movie.
Yeah. So it look legit. I'm really proud. Very proud.
It's huge.
Alright, y'all. So don't forget. Don't forget. I want you to always tell somebody about this. If it don't reach you, I'm pretty sure it's gonna reach somebody within your family, somebody within your friend group. Please share this to somebody. Although, you know, this vlog probably wasn't Wasn't as exciting, but I know somebody found some motivation in this. Work on your house and do some DIYs. Do something. Be productive. Just chill and relax. Take off a day. Do something. I don't know. I'm out.
We out.